Hello, Chandrasekhar, you are not audible to me. Hello, hello. हमें ये ऑलमोस्ट ना मतलब फर्स्ट तक खत्म करना है सर इसका सेशन. हेलो, 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 हेलो. Chandrasekhar, you're not. Your voice is not coming. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
My side, my internet connection is fairly good. Any issues on your side?
No, no,
Internet?
no. No issues on my side.
Uh-huh.
It's working fine over
Yeah,
there.
uh-huh. Okay,
Do
okay, okay. Let's continue then.
please connect on any desk.
Yes, I will connect now. I will ask my production team person
Yeah, you
also.
can add first connect
Then,
over the sky any desk, and then you can add other people also.
okay, okay. 40 seconds.
ஹலோ
Hello, Divya.
ஹலோ சார்
கேக்குதா திவ்யா? Hello.
கேக்குது சார்
Okay.
ஆ
Side போங்க, நீங்க connect பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Mr. Shivam, I will connect on your ID.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, Divya, ID வந்து 860
ஆ
44 2675. Yeah. Please connect. Mr. Shivam, Mr. Vineet is arrived?
Yes, he is there.
Yeah, yeah. Good morning, Mr. Vineet.
Good morning, sir.
Sorry, yesterday we had problems with the fabric issue. That's why otherwise we could have continued. Today we'll see that. Okay. Divya, connect பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
10 செகண்ட்
I see. Okay. So we'll start stage. So we'll log in. So first let us check.
Today also we can continue with the Proman introduction. No?
Yes, yes. Yeah. So I'm first checking whether the fabric is issued. Yesterday, the fabric was not available to issue because of one problem related to the primary second conversion. That
Okay.
has been sorted out.
Okay.
I'm just checking. I'll show you the and then go and do the fabric issue now. So, as I said yesterday, we are seeing this order-wise stock flow report, order number E4. So we are interested in fabric. After retrieving this report, we will filter for the fabric. This report will give the list of all materials and all processes
इसकी आवाज
required.
थोड़ी बिल्कुल समझ
स्पीकर अभी दिया है ठीक होने को, ठीक होके आएगा तभी पता चलेगा। ऐसे अभी तो ऐसे ही
Fabric,
चल रहा है।
fabric dyeing.
उसका फायदा क्या जब समझ नहीं लग रहा क्या है
सुन तो रहा है वैसे जनरली, ऐसा नहीं है, इतना भी कम नहीं है।
So this is the dyed fabric.
माइक है इसका कंप्यूटर का, जितनी आवाज आएगी। चंद्रशेखर,
Yeah, tell me.
actually your voice is very low, so can you do something for it?
I think this is the. I'm actually working on a laptop. Can you add a speaker or something?
Actually my speaker is in that is with mechanic now. It is not repaired yet, so that's why the problem continues.
I'm actually using a. Okay, I will add one. What to say?
Can we have a mobile
Separate
call?
speaker.
मोबाइल कॉल में रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं ना रहेगा, ये रिकॉर्डिंग हमारी भी हो रही है, उनकी भी हो रही है। इन फ्यूचर हमें यही चाहिए, क्योंकि ये वन टाइम ट्रेनिंग देंगे, बार बार तो नहीं देंगे। अगर मोबाइल पे रहेगा तो इस पे तो कुछ नहीं आएगा, फिर हमें समझ में नहीं आएगा।
Yeah, can you hear me better now? I'm adding a separate speaker. Adding a separate microphone.
That will be good. Yes. Now it's okay. We'll see if some problem will there. We can tell you, no problem.
Okay. Now you see, these are the three fabrics received after fabric dyeing. You can see the received quantity in this column. Received allocated quantity 4 kg, 51 kg, 56. And yesterday we made a fabric issue already. We have issued the quantity 4, 51, and 56. You can see the issue breakup also here. Goods receipt and the delivery from stores. It has been delivered to S Biotech's production. From now on, all entries, production entries, will be done in the Proman module. So let us minimize this and we will go to Proman. So Proman. So we are connecting to Stage Test. It is the same database. Stage and Proman will run on the same database. Stage Test. Right now we have not created user logins. So we'll use this admin login here. So we have come to the Proman screen. This is the first screen. Okay. Here, when we use the application for the first time, we need to select these options. Shum, I think you can consider adding a LAN cable to your system. Oh, you said you don't have a LAN cable, no? On your laptop. Okay. Maybe you can take an adapter like LAN to USB or LAN to HDMI. Okay, so first thing is for every user, we need to set the default unit in which they're going to handle the transactions. Then the date range has been set. So now we are ready. So Divya, from where do you want to start?
Inward and QC, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. So fabric has been issued. You can start the process.
Okay, sir. First we go to Fabric Inward and QC. This model is used to track the transaction like Fabric Inward and Fabric QC.
Okay.
First we go to Fabric Inward. Fabric Inward, add mode.
Yeah.
Need to select the unit.
Okay. Production. So from stores, they have issued fabric. So that you are making an entry at substores.
This DN number is generated from stage inventory.
Yeah, I made two issues. So there are two delivery nodes.
First we have to select, create the warehouse, sir.
Please create.
Okay. In masters.
Yeah, Mr. Shivam, Mr. Vineet, any problem, any difficulty, just stop us, sir.
Okay.
Here a warehouse master.
Okay.
Select that company and unit.
Production unit. So this is the Proman unit substores.
Warehouse name, sir?
Cutting stores.
Okay. Okay.
Mrs. Shivam, you are recording this now or not recording?
Issue is not around. Let me check.
It's not here.
Then click detail.
Bottom, you can see the inverse status completed fully. Yeah. So you are making an inward at the substores in the production unit.
Hello.
Yeah, Divya. Click OK to save. No.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you can receive the second issue of fabric also. I think that has the main fabric. There are two fabric issues. This is the second one. Okay.
Okay.
So this is also received at the cutting stores. After that, QC will be auto posted. No, there is a QC entry. This fabric you can see in the modify or view menu. So when you receive fabric at the substores, it is after receipt the QC for that will get auto posted. So all be treated as passed. So all the fabrics have been posted. Okay. Now next step, we have to issue the fabric, right?
Cutting department.
For issuing the fabric, we use the fabric issue module. So we are selecting that particular order, work order number. So in Proman, it will be work order number based on which we do the transaction. So what is this? We're going to issue specific fabrics related to this work order to the cutting table. From cutting stores, we are issuing it to the cutting table.
செலக்ட் ஆல் கொடுத்துருவா சார் இல்ல
You can issue all the materials. No, do you
Okay,
have
sir.
both main fabric and sub fabric? You have light gray and navy fabric. Yes.
ஓகே
Yeah. Is there any report where we can see this information? What has been received? Sorry.
1 minute sir, I will show you.
Yeah.
This is delivery challan.
Internal delivery challan, like from stores
Yes, sir.
referring to cutting. It is, I mean, so the delivery challan will be used if there is a centralized cutting department, and from there, I mean, centralized substore, there if you are issuing to different halls or like that, but otherwise it's not required. Now this is the report. First one இல்லையா fabric receipt and issue report.
இதுலயும் பார்க்கலாம் சார்.
அதுல காமிச்சிருங்க.
ஃபார்மேட் ஓகே சார்.
It will cover the one moment. I think the date shooting is not correct. As on 26/11. இது என்ன ஹலோ
ஹலோ சார் வேற
hold on a moment.
Any problem for now? Chandrasekhar?
Hello?
Yeah. I'm just checking the date settings. Hold on.
Okay.
I think, can I change this to DDMMYY?
Please, you can continue, no problem. Change it, no problem.
Change it, no? Okay. திவ்யா இதை நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, இது எப்படி இருந்தாலும் அங்க கரெக்டா வரணும்.
ஓகே சார்.
ஃபார்மேட் 5 எடுத்தீங்களா?
ஆமா சார்.
ரீலாகின் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா?
க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி ஓபன் பண்ணாலே சம்டைம்ஸ் வரும் சார்.
டேட்டா வரலையே, என்ன ரீசன்? வந்துட்டு போயிடுது. Okay, you show the other the report which you wanted to show. So we basically want to see how much has been issued from main stores and how much is received in the sub stores. Hold on, Nitya. Hold on, Divya.
Okay, sir.
Just hold on. If it doesn't come, never mind. You proceed with the transaction. We'll check and move on.
Okay, sir.
Never mind. So you received fabric and you have issued fabric to cutting. What is the next step?
Cutting, sir.
Okay. So you can proceed with the cutting entry.
Okay. This cutting model is used to cut the issued fabric from stores. The
How
bundles
to
with,
excuse me? How we
yes,
can
sir.
print that fabric issue challan?
Issue challan. Show it, please. So you can print when you save the issue, you can print it. Otherwise, you can go into the view mode, select the transaction, issue transaction, and then the bottom you can find the delivery note button. This you can generate and minimize this window. One moment, I will do the page setup. Yeah, this is the usual answer.
Okay. After the entry is done, it will prompt automatically for the print command, or
Correct. After the entry is saved, the system will ask to whether you want to print or not. You can
okay.
then and there print it. Or if you want to print it later, you can come into the view mode, like what we have done. You can select the delivery note option and take the printout.
Okay.
Can I close it, sir?
Yeah, please proceed. Make the cutting entry.
Okay, sir. After the fabric issue, then we go to cutting module. This model is used to cut the issued fabric from stores. Here, cutting. And first we select the unit, then order number. This is the component order. First எந்த components கொடுப்பேன்?
You can check with Mr. Vinay. You take hoodie top.
Hoodie
Mr.
top,
Vinay, you
okay.
take the hoodie top for the cutting initially.
then garment color. Table number, sir.
The table number you can enter at 1.
Okay.
It's only a test database, so you can.
Okay. Fabric color, sir. Navy.
I think light gray is the main color.
Okay, sir.
That is the main fabric.
Okay. Lay number. Lay length, sir.
Mr. Vinith, how would you define your lay length on the basis of kgs or meters?
On the basis of meters, or
Meters.
maybe let it be kgs.
Kgs, no? So one lay length, how many kgs?
It differs from order to order. There is nothing specified or
Okay,
specific.
for the current, yeah, understand. We have to say this for each and every screen that we do the lay entry.
Yeah.
This screen is a lay entry screen.
Okay, let's put 2 meter.
2 meters. Okay.
Marker way, sir. For M size, M size.
1:1:1:1.
Okay.
Divya, he has told in meters. Have you given it in that lay length is in meters or kgs?
I think kg, sir.
It is in kg. We'll have to. It's. He said 2 meters. Can you do that conversion? This is a kgs to meters, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you need to do any settings in material list for this?
Stage la maathuvaanga
Uh, that's what. You just don't save this. Hold on.
Okay.
What is the classification?
Fabric.
One moment.
Yes, sir.
It is fabric knitted OPW.
Okay, sir.
This one?
In kgs la da sir கொடுத்திருக்காங்க.
நீங்க மாத்துங்க. அது மாத்த முடியாதுங்க. அது கீஸ் தான் இருக்கும். ஃபேப்ரிக் வெயிட் டு லெங்த் கன்வர்ஷன் ரிக்வயர்ட் எஸ் இருக்கணும்.
அந்த சைடுல தெரியுது.
யா அந்த இது ஒன்று பண்ண போதும்.
அப்போ ஓகேவா சார்?
இஸ் ஓகே. யூ வில் ஹேவ் டு reopen cutting
आपकी लाइन
module
में
and
कॉपी
then
रहेगी.
Okay, sir.
yeah.
इसको क्या हो गया?
Which role can I fill, sir? Hello.
So you explain the scene, Divya. What is what we see on the screen? For the selected fabric, we are seeing the roles, no?
Yes, sir.
So you've given what is the cut quantity?
Cut quantity. When we select the roll, the cut quantity is only 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
No, here we are not grouping the roles.
Uh,
In some cases, they will group the roles by width, by shade, and by GSM. Is the GSM showing here?
1 minute, sir.
Because similar GSM will give the same ratio.
இது group பண்ணிக்கோங்களா, sir?
Okay, you proceed with the GSM also. You can just select the roles and then show how the cutting is.
Randomly I select these 3 rows, okay? Now the cut quantity is 21. For that M size, it is 7. For L size, it's 7. And then XL size, it's 7. It's 1 minute. செட் ரோல் கொடுத்துட்டு நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவோம் சார். Actually, the total number of plies here is 7. The 7 into marker way is 1. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. The cut quantity for the M size is 7. Then the L size marker way is 1. 1. Number of plies also 7. 7 into 1, 7. If we give the ratio is 2, the current quantity is 14. For example,
I one thing to understand, how come in 5 kg or
What?
35 kg, uh, M is also coming 7 pieces and XL is also coming 7 pieces?
Yes, sir.
It cannot be same.
Because the marker way is one, sir. If you give here two,
No, this is
that
ratio, no? This is not marker
yes, sir.
efficiency, it is ratio. What ratio I
Yes,
am
correct.
cutting? If in 35 kg, you are saying 35 kg, 7 pieces are only coming, then
Because I selected only that three rolls, sir.
okay,
6 plus 5 plus 5, 10, 16 kgs.
okay, 16 kg.
16 kgs gives
Where is actual showing here?
What's
Actual where order quantity you are putting is 35 kg. Then cut
yes, sir.
quantity we need to put how much? 5 kg, 6 kg, which is actual
no,
quantity.
sir, this 35 is numbers, 35 pieces in the order quantity. M size 35 pieces, L size 35 pieces. That is the order quantity.
Oh, okay,
Uh,
okay,
okay,
okay.
we are selecting three rolls for this lay.
No,
Okay, for this,
actually use this 555 and then I want to see how, does it give difference between the rows?
yeah, if you add the rolls, then accordingly the number of plies will increase. So the
But
quantity also increases.
but
The cut,
why all are showing as the same? Because in 1 kg, M will
Mhm.
be more pieces, L will be little lesser, and XL will be more less pieces if the same quantity is same. Here
Mhm.
it is showing quantity is all same 24
No,
11 11 11 pieces.
no, we do not know. No, how do we know how much? Because M consumption is same as L consumption. We are only considering the same consumption for M, L, and XL in
No,
the
no,
order module. In the
consumption.
method of
Where do I need to put the consumptions? There should be some space where I have to put the
oh,
consumption. What is the actual consumption? That then only it can calculate. Right
hmm.
now, it is just giving an random multiplication and division of number of kgs with the number of pieces. It should
Okay.
have the actual consumption somewhere in the system.
Okay, merchant is entering the consumption, and in the work order also there is consumption entry.
So
Um,
it will pick automatically. It is not picking.
it will pick up automatically,
Here
and
it is not showing.
accordingly, no, see, it will pick up automatically, and that because of the consumption only, the n bits will change. The consumption is considered, because of which the n bit changes. You can see the consumption. இங்க ஏதாவது consumption பார்க்கிற provision இருக்கா திவ்யா?
கொடுக்கலாம் சார்.
இல்ல, work order consumption, how do we see it in this screen?
ஒர்க் ஆர்டர் கன்செப்ஷன் இல்ல சார். இங்க வந்து நமக்கு ஆர்டர் குவாண்டிட்டி தான் சார் பார்க்க முடியும்.
Order quantity க்கு
கன்செப்ஷன் இங்க எதுவும் வராது சார். நீங்க ஆர்டர்ல கொடுத்த கன்செப்ஷன் கேக்குறீங்க.
இல்ல, ரேஷியோ இங்க ரேஷியோல 1 கொடுத்தா
ஆமா சார்.
அது எப்படி பீஸா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது? ஒரு லேல வந்து 2 kg கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. அந்த 2 kgs திங்ஸோட கன்செப்ட் பேஸ் பண்ணி தானே அந்த கட் குவாண்டிட்டி வரும்னு கேக்குறாரு. கரண்ட் குவாண்டிட்டி கால்குலேஷன் எப்படின்னு கேக்குறாரு.
நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஃப்ளைஸ் இன்டு ரேஷியோ தான் சார் கட் குவாண்டிட்டி வரும்.
So this is not the ratio. This should be the marker way then.
எஸ் சார், அதான் சார். இப்போ அவங்க 2 3 அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா கரண்ட் குவாண்டிட்டி வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் சார். இப்போ எல்லாத்துக்குமே 1 கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால தான் நமக்கு சேமாவே வருது.
Okay. So Mr. Vineet,
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, I talked about the consumption. Actually, here we are not considering the consumption. Here we are seeing the ratio. This is not the ratio. Actually, it is the marker way, like 1:2:1. So that is the marker way. Let's say in one lay you might have 2 pieces of M size, 3 pieces of L size and 1 pieces of XL. So let us say in that case, this is actual lay count here. Let us say 3 pieces of L size and 1 pieces of XL. So if this is one lay, then accordingly the quantity will change.
Oh,
We may
okay.
have
This is the as per the one lay.
one lay wise entry, lay wise pieces entry.
And here is it changed from kgs to meters, the lay length?
1 minute. Divya, அது மாறி இருக்கா? meters base பண்ணி calculation வந்திருக்கா?
இது actually எனக்கு எப்படி பார்க்கணும்னு தெரியல.
Call Nitya then. Call the programmer. Give me 2-3 minutes, Mr. Vinith. I just clarify that.
நாங்க லே லென்த் இப்போ வந்து அவங்க மீட்டர்ல வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. கேஜிஸ்ல தான் ஆக்சுவல் குவான்டிட்டிலாம் கேஜிஸ்ல தான் இருக்கு. என்ன பாராமீட்டர்? actual quantity cases like meters உங்கள்கிட்ட கேட்குறேன் மேம். ஆமாம் ஃபேப்ரிகேட்டட். ஓகே மேம். என்ன பண்ணுறது? சார் பிரைமரி வந்து கேஜிஸ்ல, செகண்டரி வந்து மீட்டர்ஸ்ல கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா சார்?
ஆமா.
அப்போ வந்து இப்போ வந்து உங்களுக்கு லே லென்த் வந்து மீட்டர்ஸ்ல வந்து கொடுக்கணுமா?
மீட்டர்ஸ்ல கொடுக்கணும்.
ஓகே சார். அந்த மாதிரி பிரைமரி வந்து கேஜிஸ்ல கொடுத்து லே லென்த் வந்து மீட்டர்ல கொடுக்கறதா இருந்தா ஒரு பாராமீட்டர் செட் பண்ணுமா சார்?
சரி, இது சேவ் பண்ணல இல்லையா? அது பாராமீட்டர் செட் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார். சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம பாத்துக்கலாம் சார்.
பார்க்கலாம். ரோமன் பாராமீட்டர் தானே?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
இது ஸ்கிரீன் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Mr. Vinith, we'll just close the screen. There is a setting we need to do for kg meter conversion.
Okay.
மேம் அது மட்டும் தான் பண்றாங்க. பாராமீட்டர் எந்த பாராமீட்டர்? ஆமா மேம் சார். ஆமா. ஆமா மேம். ஆமா மேம். ஆமா மேம். ஓகே மேம். ஓகே மேம். சரி மேம். ஓகே மேம். இல்ல மேம் இப்பதான் போட போறேன். ஓகே மேம். இந்த பாராமீட்டர் தான் சார். நெட் ஃபேப்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல சார். இப்போ நான் மீட்டருக்கு மாத்திட்டேன் சார்.
சரி, ஓகே, நீங்க ப்ரோசீட் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ரீலாகின் பண்ணணுமா?
இல்ல சார்.
கேட்டுக்கோங்க. ஃபேப்ரிக் இஷ்யூ பண்ணிட்டோம். ஃபேப்ரிக் இஷ்யூ டெலீட் பண்ணி திருப்பி இஷ்யூ பண்ணணுமா, அப்படியே பண்ணலாமா?
கட்டிங் மட்டும் என்ட்ரி போட்டிருந்தா டெலீட் பண்ணிட்டு போட சொன்னாங்க சார்.
சரி, ஓகே.
Marker way, sir. Can I give 2, 3? Okay. Randomly, can I select 2 roles, sir?
Okay.
Here, the number of plies is 14. 14 into 2, 28.
Mm-hmm.
Then 14 into for that L size, we have a 3 marker way. Then 14 into 3, 42.
Mm-hmm.
But our order quantity is 35.
Mm-hmm.
So 7 extra quantity.
Mm-hmm.
Then 14 into, for that exercise is 14 into 1, 14.
Mm-hmm.
Balance quantity 21.
Mm-hmm.
So you
Here
can
it's n bit roll, sir.
Okay.
0.09.
And how about many times they put a half lay also? So how it is calculated? Like
Half means, sir.
half lay they calculate. They also put if the roll is ending in between. Suppose instead of 2 meters they put 1 meter lay is also there of that roll when they are cutting. So how it is calculated here?
So it
All
will be one lay. Sorry to interrupt, sir. If there is one, if it is only 1 meter, balance 1 meter you will pull out from the other roll, or it will be only 1 meter that will be considered.
no, I am asking when they are cutting the roll.
Okay.
Suppose they are making 20 lays.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and then of instead of the small portion is left, and they put
Okay.
it on the roll again on the lay,
Oh,
which is
on the lay. Oh,
instead of 3 meters or 4 meters, it is only half of that. If my lay is
oh,
4 meter, it is only 2 meter. If it is 2 meters lay, I am putting
okay.
it is only 1 meter left, and they have added on that one. Now, how we
Okay.
are going to calculate that half lay also here? Is
Okay.
because the cutting
You,
master will cut whatever the rolls they have. They will not
okay.
put the marker again for a half piece.
Okay.
You're getting me what I'm trying to say? You
Yes,
understood?
yes, I'm getting that. So it is like half a ply, or if it is half a ply, or 1/3 of a ply, something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. Whatever is leftover fabric, they
Yeah.
if they are adding on that, how are we going to calculate it is in the system?
Okay. So one moment. Divya, can you edit the ply with
Yes,
decimal?
sir. Number
Yeah.
of plies is editable one, sir. If you
Yeah.
want to change it, you can change
We'll
it
make it
inside, sir.
7.5 plies.
Round of use.
Can you cross check? Is there must be a parameter for this?
Yes, sir.
Enter number of plies in decimal. Yes. Second column, last from
Yes, sir.
I mean, second from the last. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Again, you'll have to choose and open the cutting module.
Yes, sir.
Just remember, these all we are doing in the test database. Main database, we have to do the same thing again.
Okay. Okay, sir. Actually, number of plies is the editable one, sir. If you want to change it, you can change, sir.
You
Okay,
make it
now
6.5.
Yes, sir.
You can make it 6.5 or 7.5.
6.5.
So your end bits will be not there in the
Yes.
vehicle.
0.44 NBit. Okay.
okay.
Then we go to bundle generation.
Mhm.
अच्छा के पास
Ma'am, number of slides வந்து டிஸ்பிளேல கொடுக்கலாமா? தூக்கக்கூடாதா மேம்? இங்க வந்து ஒரு பேராமீட்டர் இருக்குல்ல மேம், என்டர் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் இன் டெசிமல். நீங்க கேட்குறாங்க மேம். 7 அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா 7.5 6.5 கொடுக்குற மாதிரி. நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் வந்து டெசிமல்ல தர மாதிரி மேம். கேட்டான்ட்டு இந்த ஒரு பேராமீட்டர் வச்சோம் மேம். நான் என்டர் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பிளேஸ் இன் டெசிமல்னு அது எஸ் கொடுத்துட்டேன். இதுல வந்து பண்டல் ஜெனரேஷன் கொடுக்கும்போது ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு மெசேஜ் வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. ம் 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 ஆமா மேம். ஓ ஆமா மேம். ஆமா மேம். ஓகே மேம். ம் ஆகுது மேம். ம் ஓகே மேம். ரொம்ப காட்டல மேம். இங்க இதுதான் வந்து ம் 14 மேம். 14 மேம் என் டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பிளேஸ். இல்ல மேம். முன்னாடி வந்து 13.5 இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ நான் 14 வச்சுட்டேன். ம் ம் ஓகே மேம். ம் 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 இருக்கு மேம். குவான்டிட்டி வந்து ஒரு 84 மேம். பாயிண்ட்ல தான் மேம் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி வச்சுக்கோங்க சார். குவாலிட்டி வந்து 78ல இருக்கு மேம். ரேஷியோ வந்து மேம் 2:3:1. 5 ஆமா மேம். இன்னொன்று வந்து 13.5 இன்ட்டு 3 மேம். ம் 39 இருக்கு மேம். 39 இருக்கு மேம் கரண்ட் குவான்டிட்டியில். ம் ஓகே மேம். ம் ஓகே மேம். புரியுது மேம். ம் புரியுது மேம். ம் 1 மேம். ஓகே மேம். ம் காட்டுங்க மேம். காட்டுங்க. ஓகே மேம். ம் ஓகே மேம். புரியுது. ஓகே மேம். ஓகே மேம். சரி. ம்
खुद ही आपस में सीख रहे हैं सब।
एडजस्ट कर लेंगे कैसे करेंगे।
उनको ही नहीं पता, मेरे को तब तो मैं भूल जाना कि
रिकॉर्डिंग है इसलिए मैं सबकी
एक एक
Hello
स्टेप पे।
sir.
यस
Sir, can I give 7.5 sir? Because earlier I give only 7. The number of flies is 13.5. That's why I can't able to generate the bundle, sir.
No,
Because
here you
give
can put
13.5.
here you can put anything, but actuals
Okay.
in actuals I am talking in actuals it is not going to be like that. Na, that one roll is we are cutting is coming 6.5 plies and another is coming 7.5. If
Mm. You can change it, sir. It's a editable one, so no problem, sir.
so the
Divya, can't we save it with 13.5?
No, sir.
Why?
Because number of flies should be on round of value, sir.
Mm-hmm.
This is a total number of pieces. That's why only we give only that round of value. If I give 13.5, 13.5 into 3, 3, 3 into 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 3,
Or see in the for that 0.5, can we enter it as a separate lay then? How to handle that 0.5? Let us lay 1A, something like that. You can check with Nitya.
Okay,
Right
sir.
now, let us show, Mr. Vinith, we will find out and let you know. Right now, let us proceed with how we generate the lay. We
Okay.
will make a note of this and we will clarify tomorrow.
Okay, no, not an issue.
Please make a note of this, Divya. We will clarify tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Because other clients also will have the same problem. Like
Oh,
of the lay, they will have to. I mean, the lay will not be complete. It will be partial lay. The ply may be partial. So we will find out. And,
சார் ஆக்சுவலா பார்ஷியலா கொடுத்தா என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா இங்க கரண்ட் ஒர்க் குவான்டிட்டி வந்து தப்பா வருது சார், அதனால தான் கொடுக்க முடியாது.
so you find out later. You can find out. Right now, you
Okay.
just take it as 14 layers and proceed. Show how the bundle
Okay.
tickets are generated. Bundle number generation logic you tell.
ஓகே சார்.
You tell the
Okay.
bundle number generation logic. Show the bundle tag printout. Okay.
Okay.
Now please proceed.
Okay. You go to bundle generation. Here, here we are giving that pieces per bundle is 20.
Okay.
Minute. Okay, pieces per bundle. For that M size, we have 28 pieces, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, 1 minute, sir. 28 pieces, then 42. 28 pieces in one bundle for that M size.
Mm-hmm.
For that L size, it's divided into 2. For 20 pieces in one bundle, then another 22 pieces in another bundle. For XL size, we have only that 14 quantity.
Mm-hmm.
It is in a one bundle, sir.
Mm-hmm.
The sticker number will be generated like 1 to 28 for M size, L size 29 to 48.
Mm-hmm.
For L size, next number 49 to 70 because we have a 22.
Mm-hmm.
Then for L size 71 to 84.
Okay.
We have 14 quantity, that's why. This is the bundle will be generated.
So if my quantity is more, so the last bundle will be of the leftover quantities, not exactly of 20. If suppose I am cutting 2000 pieces, so
Okay.
100 bundles or 2018 pieces I have cut. So 100 bundles will be of 20 and the 101 bundle will be of 18 pieces. Is it like that?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But if your pieces is 2010,
Mhm.
then the last bundle will be 30 pieces. That is how we have set it. If it is exceeding more than 10 per bundle, then it will go into the new bundle.
Oh,
Okay, up to 10 pieces, we add it in the last bundle. If it is exceeding 10 pieces, it will go as a separate new bundle. If it is, let us say, 11 pieces, then it will become the 101 bundle will be 11.
okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I say it, sir.
This is color-wise generation, no?
Yes, sir.
Not role-wise, no? Color-wise, you are generating
Size
the
wise.
okay bundle. Okay. Color-wise
And,
and size-wise, you are generating the bundle.
And I want to know if we are cutting, if we are putting a lay with like 2 or 3 colors together and a big lay. So
Okay.
how we are going to do that in this one? Like red is
Okay.
there, black is there, and olive color is there. 3 colors we are making a straight lay and then cutting. So how we are going to do that one in this?
Divya, there is a multi-color lay option, no? You know that?
Yes, sir. Multi.
Like there will be slay, then you click on the next button and enter the details for the next color.
Okay, I have seen
Uh,
that. I have seen that it was there in that option.
yeah, so you can do that either like that, or you can do physically. You might put it in one table, but
Mhm.
when you enter, make the entry, you can make it as each color one lay entry. You can connect lay number one A, one B, one C, like you can connect it.
Okay.
Colorwise, you can segregate as separate lay entries, but
Mhm.
physically you can put together and cut it. And number generation, we can specify number generation will be color wise. No, it is there is no continuity in number generation.
Mhm.
Okay, so then I think should not be a problem. We will show the multicolor lay also. Maybe Divya, note these 2 points. No, one is the
Okay, sir.
partial ply, then is
Uh,
the color wise multicolor wise lay.
okay, sir.
We will explain in the next session.
Okay, sir. Multi-color waistlet. Then I save it, sir. Save பண்ணுறதா, sir?
Yeah, yeah, you can go ahead.
If you want to change the cutting unit, then you click yes and say, select the unit, sir. Okay.
Click no. I mean, there's only one cutting unit we have to find. So click no.
Okay. Okay, sir. Then yes.
What is this?
I don't know, sir.
Divya,
Yes, sir.
I think because of that
Sir.
on the transaction on your close print, you have to do this again. Just quickly
Okay,
do
sir.
this.
Okay.
Same roles and enter it and do it.
Okay, sir.
हमें तो पहले ही कस्टमर
So what is that error that came?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है एक्चुअली जो ट्रेनिंग दे रहा है वो प्रोग्राम उसका नहीं है उसका प्रोग्राम एरिया नहीं है जो बंदा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर से कर रहा है वो प्रोग्राम एरिया नहीं है उसका वो तो अच्छी चीज़ें डील करता है जो लेडी है मे बी वो प्रोग्रामिंग देखती है औरतों को तो पता ही है कितना करना होता है it will took time for simplifying the
Just give
things.
me 2-3 minutes. We will try to see why the problem is coming. Because of the kg meter conversion, I think it is creating an issue here.
Okay.
Let's just try it and then we will proceed. Quickly do it, Divya. Just
Okay.
use the same data. Or if you need support, call the programmer, or I'll inform her. You just do it. You just do this. I will see what we can do. Don't edit the slide, just proceed.
Okay, sir.
Wait. Okay. Click OK here. Mr. Shivam, hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I just recorded this. I will just check and come back. Can we do this again in the evening?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay, we will disconnect now. We will find out from our programming team why this is happening.
Okay,
Maybe
but
some settings is missing.
but do one thing, na, just remember the things by evening, so that because yesterday we also missed the training, so by
Correct.
today it should not be.
Okay, we'll connect in the evening. 4:30 should be fine,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
we'll do it earlier.
If it is before that 4:30, that will also be okay for us.
Okay, I'll check with the team and I will inform you on Skype.
Okay, okay, thank you. If
Fine.
on Skype I'm not able, so you can directly ping my
Call,
phone also.
I will call you on the phone as well.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, that will be
Yeah,
good.
Divya, you just call back after the session.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll close the session now.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Thank you.